number of votes and getting a part of the loaves and fishes in return.
Right.
And we can see what the fights over the ministries, who will get the railways, who will get the agriculture, these are all political bargains. I mean, this is not coalition politics. Whatever we've been seeing in the shape of the UPA or even the NDA, this is the politics of supporting a party that has got a cluster of votes. That is it. Coalition government is about parties coming together to subordinate their own agenda to a common agenda.
Okay. So it's
And
about
pursuing
ideology.
their particular agenda through a common agenda. I mean, you have a whole range of coalitions in Europe. But to say India has coalition governments, I think this is a complete misnomer. And one partner walks out, another partner is there in the wings, potential partner saying, I'll join you, I'll support you, you give me this in return. It's so obvious, it's laughable, it's so transparent.
Atanu, clearly it's no longer about ideology, it's about give and take in the end.
No, of course, in India, in our country, Indian coalition politics or Indian coalition governance is a sui generis. It's a unique system. Now, India is not Europe. You cannot transplant European coalition model here in India. Our socio-economic conditions, our realities are vastly different. We are a country of billion plus people. So you cannot transplant a European model here. Our coalition system, with all its shortcomings, with all its drawbacks, it has some advantages, some disadvantages like any other system. So it is evolving, it has started working. Now UPA has given a coalition. Now in our country, our polity, Indian polity has evolved into two major poles. Of course, there are numerous political parties, regional political parties, they hold the lever, they hold the key, but it has evolved into two major political parties, Congress and BJP, two major poles.
Right.
Now Congress and BJP, they have always ensured that whenever a coalition government, whenever you had asked that why has third front government failed, why has this third front experiment has failed repeatedly, because whenever this third front government has come up, it has come up with the support of either Congress or BJP. And Congress and BJP, they never want this third front experiment to succeed. That is why Congress has always pulled the plug, or has BJP. Congress has pulled the plug from Charan Singh government in 6 months in 1979. Then Congress did the same thing with Deve Gowda, with I.K. Gujral, and BJP has done the same thing with VP Singh. And if a coalition government or so-called third front government comes up post 2014, and if it is dependent, it has to be dependent on either Congress or BJP's support, and it will meet the same fate within 6 months to 1 year time. And we would always see that this coalition government, if we leave behind Morarji Desai, all other coalition leaders and VP Singh to some extent, this Deve Gowda and I.K. Gujral, whoever becomes the Prime Minister of the next coalition government or so-called third front government, he will be the weakest politician. Only a weak politician will become the Prime Minister. If Jayalalitha and Naveen Patnaik, they are politically, they have enough wisdom, they will not come and preside over a government which will be tottering on the support of Congress or BJP, and any moment, any time Congress or BJP will pull the plug. Jayalalitha or Naveen Patnaik will not risk their political future. They have a sound, they are on a sound footing. Nitish Kumar doesn't know whether he'll come back to power in Bihar in 2015 or not. This election is going to be very crucial for Nitish Kumar. And Mulayam Singh is desperate. This is probably going to be his last election. So Mulayam Singh and Nitish Kumar, they're desperate to become Prime Minister. And so far as NCP is concerned, let me point out, I know it, that NCP was not represented by DP Tripathi in yesterday's convention. DP Tripathi almost get crashed into that convention. NCP's voice is Saheb, Mr. Sharad Pawar or Praful Patel. DP Tripathi may be spokesperson for record's sake. He doesn't represent NCP. NCP is represented by Sharad Pawar and Praful Patel, and they have their stakes in Maharashtra, Maharashtra politics, and they have continued their political tie-up with Congress for more than a decade, past decade, and
But they also
will
have a
continue
tie-up
to do so given
in
the
Kerala.
complexities and compulsions of Maharashtra state politics. DP Tripathi, being the mentor of Prakash Karat and Sitaram Yechuri in JNU campus, he was their, you know, he is almost there like a soulmate. So he had gone there and he had wanted, and that is why he was not accorded a front row seat. He was, if he was the prize catch in that meeting, that a UPA ally has come, he would have been granted a front row seat. He was given, he was granted a last row, second row, last corner seat, because he get crashed. I know. He get crashed into that convention, and he offered himself, he volunteered himself to speak in that convention. So they allowed him. But our media went to towns and went all over the town that it is, and Congress is
the
in
biggest
jittery,
ally
UPA
of the
in jittery,
UPA is
UPA is
there.
very much intact, it is in place, and it will, as it is today, it will continue to be so as long as, this government is in power and till they go to polls. After what happens post 2014, everything.
Right, but Atanu, you mentioned Nitish Kumar and Mulayam Singh Yadav. This brings us to the leadership question. Don't you think that this makes it an alliance which is doomed to fail even before it can take
That is
shape?
what exactly, that is what I pointed out, that this experiment is going, because whoever supports this government, this hard front, they will not be able to form the government on their own. They would require either Congress or BJP's support. Now BJP, suppose BJP or Congress gets 150 MPs, they will not support them. They will say that you support us. So it will be, and if Congress or BJP is forced to support them, then they will just allow it as long as it suits their interest, and the